Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. I wanted to come on here and talk about a few things. First and foremost, I've seen this happen about 5 or 6 times this last year, so I thought I would mention it just because I know so many of you cleaning business owners out there. So if you are like me and you're doing bids over the phone, it's super important that one of your questions that you ask, as offensive and uncomfortable as it could be to ask this question, I just think that you need to politely ask if the home has been infested with bed bugs. I've kind of wrestled with this question myself because it's such a sensitive topic, but I'm starting to itch because we're talking about bed bugs. But it's super important that you are asking those homeowners if they have had them in the last 6 months. It can just be a very generalized question like, hey, I just need to ask you, it's company policy that we ask you if you've been infested with bed bugs in the last 6 months. And most of the time people are going to be honest. They genuinely don't want to cause harm on anybody, but there are unfortunately some really unscrupulous individuals in our society who just only care about themselves and nobody else, right? So just for your own safety, if you have a cleaning business, you just need to politely ask, I just need to ask this, just say it's company policy and I need to know if you have been infested with bed bugs in the last 6 months. I actually saw this post recently on another group that I'm in, and this poor girl had her helpers in this person's home, and they now have bed bugs in their own homes. And bed bugs are really, if you've ever been infested by bed bugs, I have. We got it from a babysitter, and they're really, we had to throw out all our furniture, and it's really hard to get rid of them. So it takes a lot of tenacity and a lot of stuff you have to do, and then you have to have a bug service come and treat your home after, and it's just like a kind of a thing for like a year. So make sure that when you are qualifying your potentially new clients, that you are asking them about the bed bug piece. It's super important. Don't forget to get a 50% deposit on all one-time cleanings. Super duper important. I know some people are so resistant to that, and it's only because I haven't got my hands on the lower end of you guys who haven't realized that you're not doing the best for yourself. So that's super important. And I also wanted to take a moment to talk about what I have coming up on Friday. Yay! Because today's Tuesday. Don't forget, I have the, excuse me, we have all kinds of dogs barking today. The masterclass coming up for pricing, the Blue Book, the pricing, I can't even talk today. The Pricing Blue Book Masterclass, 10 a.m. Arizona time. Super important if you want to learn how to price your business, even if you're local here, even if you're in another state. I can help out other people in other countries depending on which country you're in. I still have a couple people in Africa that I talk to frequently, so it's super important that you learn how to price correctly. The national average right now is roughly $47 an hour, and it's going up unless, of course, you're in New York and California, and those are their own separate entities. And legitimately, it's like $90 an hour per person. So if you're not charging those price points, then please come talk to me. I'm offering a free workshop, and so you can make top dollar in your cleaning. You guys all work really, really hard. And being selective too, looking for qualified clients is super important as well. Not everyone is your client. I only look for clients that meet my price point and my criteria of what I'm looking for. And I don't want that to sound discriminatory, but I'm looking for a certain person who's going to pay what I'm charging. I'm not looking for someone who is looking for a deal with a coupon that comes in the thing and then they get the Groupon coupon on top of that. That's not my demographic. I'm catering to the people who are going to pay. And that typically is other business owners, young or old, is typically who I cater to in town. So that makes a big difference on your bottom line, and you really can make $100 grand in a year if you do it right. Your first year if you're an independent cleaner. So I look forward to seeing you guys on Friday at 10 a.m. in my Facebook group. It's called the Maids Network. If you have not registered, we're doing this totally low tech. You can actually just direct message me or PM me and give me your email and we'll get you added to the list. So David, We can't get to know each other better, but thank you. I can help you out with any cleaning questions you have, but getting to know you better is just not a possibility. Married, see? Right there. So there's always one in every crowd, right? You're making me turn red. But yes, so Friday, 10 a.m. Arizona time. It's the Pricing Blueprint Masterclass, and it's where you really can learn how to make $100 grand your first year cleaning if you're an independent cleaner. And I look forward to seeing you then. You guys take care.